Tesla's Model 3 is no stranger to customization and modification, but what happens when you take one of the most iconic electric sedans and give it a widebody treatment by the renowned Japanese tuner, Liberty Walk? This particular project certainly turns heads, but the question remains, do these extreme modifications elevate the Model 3, or are they a step too far? When Tesla is mentioned these days, most conversations focus on the Model Y, the brand's latest and most refreshed offering. The Model Y's mid-cycle refresh has sparked a lot of excitement, with numerous fan-made renderings imagining other Teslas transformed in the same style. However, this story takes a completely different route as we dive into the widebody Tesla Model 3, modified by Liberty Walk, which is a far more daring and aggressive project than anything we've seen on the streets before. The first thing that grabs your attention when you see this Model 3 is the widebody treatment. Liberty Walk, known for their outrageous body kits, has pushed the boundaries of modification here. The front fenders and rear quarter panels have been dramatically widened. Rather than relying on the traditional bolt-on approach, Liberty Walk has managed to seamlessly blend the widebody parts into the Model 3's body, giving it a custom, integrated look. This makes the car appear much more aggressive and gives it an entirely new presence on the road. Along with the widebody kit, Liberty Walk has added several other elements to enhance the car's performance and aesthetic. These include side skirts, a chin spoiler, a rear diffuser, and a ducktail piece above the rear lights, each adding to the car's aerodynamic look and overall style. The car maintains a mostly white finish, which contrasts sharply with black elements and the red accents on the brake calipers. These bold design choices certainly make the car stand out, but whether they enhance the Model 3's sleek, minimalist design or detract from it is up for debate. One of the most striking aspects of this widebody Model 3 is its aftermarket wheels. The car features a set of Y-spoke wheels from Rahana, which add a dark, aggressive look. These wheels complement the overall bold appearance of the car and give it a more performance-oriented stance. While the exact model name of the wheels isn't revealed, their design fits perfectly with the car's modified persona. Perhaps the most significant modification here, however, is the suspension system. This Tesla Model 3 now sits extremely close to the ground, giving it a low and mean profile. This could be considered an essential feature for any widebody car, but it does come with its downsides, such as the risk of scraping the ground on even the smallest bump or pebble. With the suspension sitting so low, the car's body could easily be damaged by everyday obstacles. Based on the images, it's safe to assume that the Model 3 is equipped with an air-adjustable suspension, which can be lowered or raised at the touch of a button, allowing for a more customizable driving experience and more ground clearance when needed. As for the interior, there's little to no insight available in the images shared by social media outlets, as the windows are tinted, providing privacy for the occupants. The exterior decals on the car indicate the involvement of several companies in the modification process, but we don't get a full view of the interior. This lack of information adds to the mystery surrounding this modification but raises questions about how the interior might complement or contrast the exterior changes. So, what do we think of this widebody Tesla Model 3? It's certainly a unique take on a car that's already seen widespread attention for its performance, technology, and minimalist design. But does this extreme modification enhance the overall appeal of the Model 3, or does it detract from the car's original ethos? Some might see it as a bold and creative move that takes the Model 3 to new heights, while others might feel that the modifications compromise the car's elegance and refined look. The question is left to you, the viewer. Do you think the widebody treatment on this Tesla Model 3 is a yay or a nay? Let us know what you think in the comments, as the debate about whether this modification is a success or a mistake continues to grow.